YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vickie. Welcome to my daughter's kitchen. Yes, I'm continuing to stay here and help my daughter until she heals from this broken collarbone, and I am wanting to continue with my videos. So today I wanted to come with you with a recipe. You know I am obsessed with key lime, anything key lime. I love citrus flavors in the summertime, so I wanted to share this recipe. It is a dessert box mix that comes from Pampered Chef, and it's key lime, and I'm going to make a pie with it. It has a few ingredients that you add, and it turned out amazing. So let me show you how I put this together. I'm still at my daughter's. You all know how much I love key lime pie. I'm talking low because my grandbaby's asleep. Anyway, Pampered Chef came out with some dessert mixes, and this is a key lime, and it's really easy to make. I've never made it before, but I thought I'd try it with you all. You use 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I got the less fat cream cheese, a half a stick of butter, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And you need a graham cracker crust. So the first thing we're going to do is beat a half a stick of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and the key lime mixed together. I'm going to defrost our butter a little bit, not melt it, just defrost a little. Okay, there's our half a stick of butter softened. Then I'm going to mix in a half a tub of this 1/3 less fat cream cheese. I'm filming a video, honey. So, half of it, which is 4 ounces. Then we're going to mix in our key lime dessert mix. I think this only makes 1, yeah. It only makes 1. I'm going to go ahead and mix my key lime in here. Now, I have told you all, my sister-in-law is a Pampered Chef director, and that's why I'm trying this. She does an excellent job of introducing new products. Okay, let me get my daughter's mixer and I'll be right back. Now we need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So 1 cup, I'm just going to guess because, yeah, I can't find it. I thought I was filming and I wasn't. Guys, this turned out so good. Absolutely delicious. I have a lemonade icebox pie that is delicious. I'll link it down below. It's really similar to it. And there's that local ice cream store that has a key lime pie during July, and I'm dying for it to come out. Also, every time my grandbaby sees me and she can't get me, she cries for me. She's obsessed with me as I am her. All right, I'll link everything down below. Let me know if you all make this. It is delicious. If you like key lime, you'll love this, and it's a quick and easy dessert. I ended up letting this pie chill for a couple hours in the fridge. I think it would be better if it set even till the next day, but it was really good. It set up fairly well for that length of time. It just used a few ingredients, and it turned out really good. I think this would make an amazing recipe for a picnic or a potluck or something like that. A great summer dessert, very refreshing. So I hope that you will try to make this. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. I will also leave the link to my sister-in-law's Pampered Chef website, as well as the Pampered Chef website. So if you want to order the dessert mix, you can order it there. There is also an orange dreamsicle dessert mix that I'm going to be trying out, so you can check that out as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.